Welcome back to another earthquake video for feelable earthquakes that happened throughout the night, so let's get right down to it. 2.9 magnitude earthquake at 5 kilometers northeast of Imperial, California, happened at 6:05 a.m. Eastern Standard Time in the depth of 10.45 kilometers. If you felt this, let me know comment section below and from where, as I actually zoom into the epicenter, and appears it happened on Harris Road. So, with that, that's it. See you in the next video. Bye. Did I end the video? Sometimes my phone glitches like this, and there's nothing that I could do.